Buckeye Girls Reason Things. This is my Valentine's Day video, and what better to do for Valentine's Day than show some of my YouTube sisters' love. First of all, there's Grandma Sandy. She is so sweet, so kind, has great content, and loves to garden just like I do. Next, there's Penny at Penny's Place. She's so sweet, and she also has great content, great cleaning videos, great YouTube tips. And next, there's Gray's Life. Well, she puts a sparkle in everybody's life with her beautiful glam decor, DIYs, and all of her content is so great. Next, there is the Rose Life. She is so supportive of other YouTubers and other people. She has a hashtag, and she does a hashtag of growing together, I think. I'll put the hashtag in my description box. And she's got good content. Go check her out. Next is the Helpful Home. The Helpful Home, she's a cleaning channel, and I just love to watch her. These ladies are so sweet, so kind, and so supportive of other creators, as well as having good content on their channel. Has anybody seen these? I have these, and I'm going to make them into a small door hanger because I had these, and I'm like, what am I going to do with these crazy things? So I'm going to work with those. First of all, I'm going to start by making a really pretty flowy bow. If anybody knows, I love to make bows. I sell a lot of bows. I'm going to start with making a really pretty bow. And I wish you could feel this. This is velvet. This is velvet ribbon. It's really, really, really nice. Hold on. Sometimes I jump the gun. You know, it's okay to do that. That's what the new year is, a reset. So it's okay to reset sometimes. Oh, by the way, this is Christmas ribbon. Somebody said you can't use Christmas ribbon on Valentine's Day. That was Christmas ribbon. Okay, now let's start again. I think that'll be prettier with a little bit of lace behind this ribbon. Okay. And then I got this ribbon. I like it because of the texture. I don't know if you can see that, but it's got like a basket weave texture on it. And that's kind of fun. Especially with this rustic. Door hanger I'm doing, I thought, oh, that would be really fun to add some kind of basket weave texture. Okay. The biggest thing is don't be afraid to adjust your bows. Don't be afraid to really get in there and put your fingers in the loops and pull them out there. But I lost my heart there for a minute. Okay, you need to sit over here. Oops. How long do we got?
10, 9,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
In the Eastern Time Zone area.
In Ohio. Now I can see comments. How did that happen? I can now see comments. Yay!
Now it's counting forward.
Oh, now it's counting forward. Yeah. Yeah, I'm added a couple hearts in the center of this bow. And I'll go back and I'll wire them. And here in a little bit. When this is finished, I'll go back and wire those and add a little tape to them. But what I'm doing is I'm going to add that to, ouch, the handle on my lock. I'll add some floral tape and and some wire, and then, ooh, ouch, fasten that to Come on. You gotta stay. I know I moved you too much. And this will be our simple door hanger for Valentine's Day. What I'll do is I'll take some floral tape and go behind this and tape this so you know they're not going to scratch their door. You little stinker. I'm going to just tape that where I held it on. So you know that's not going to scratch a door. Why don't you want to stay? You don't want to stay, do you? Hey, Thad.
Yeah.
Come here. I need some wire. I'll go on to the next one. My assistant is give me some wire out of that box.
Oh, this. Oh, this.
Yeah, wire.
I don't know if you need one.
Just throw some on the table.
Nobody's saying anything more yet. I just lost comments.
Barb said Happy New Year, and you said a bunch of stuff.
Yeah. I lost the comments. Oh, here we go. I got them back.
Is it StreamYard comments or is it comments from both channels or not?
This just says live StreamYard.
Okay.
But what am I watching?
Because I'm on
Facebook, maybe.
I'm on YouTube and Facebook.
Well, I go to YouTube and look.
That's why it's so confusing.
Oh, here we go.
It's our first time live on both YouTube and Facebook.
It's scissors.
So I'm sorry about all this.
Nobody on there if I'm reading it right.
Oh, okay. Everybody's in bed in YouTube land. This one here, I don't think I'm adding the hearts. This one I might not add the hearts to it because they don't want to cooperate very well. I'm going to just add a loop or ribbon, I think. I'm cleaning up some ribbon. How many loops is this one going to have? As many as the to end the row. No.
Oh, K-E-R. Old Dean said Happy New Year.
Oh, Happy New Year.
I don't know how to pronounce that name. Happy New Year.
Okay, is anybody having a New Year's resolution? What is anybody changing in the new year? I would like to change a bunch of stuff up. I want to declutter a lot. I want to change a lot of things. This year, I think, will be a year of change for me.
Yeah, nobody's watching the live on YouTube, just Facebook.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm tired going back and forth.
Yeah, I just wanted to put it on YouTube. You know. Might as well stream to both places. I would have streamed to TikTok, but I'm not sure how to do that. Okay, this one I'm going to add it. Just add this, and then I'm going to add some floral tape so that the wire doesn't, the pipe cleaner doesn't scratch anybody's door. So what time is it? Okay. Happy New Year, Barbara. For me and Thad. Yeah, there's a lot of Barbaras on my page. I think there's like 3 Barbaras on my page. So I guess that means that the best people comes to my page. Okay, this one I'm just doing a simple bow. It'll be just a simple bow. And you got the key, lock and key. And I'll adjust and fluff the ribbon. And this one I added the hearts. So there